leaving here. We're leaving Miraflores and heading over to Barranco. Okay. So we'll go over there and show you a little bit of that area as well.
Hi.
Some inspiring content creators here in Lima.
Hi guys, welcome to Peru.
Today we met up with two locals and headed into Barranco. They gave us their thoughts and tips on Lima.
I hope you enjoyed this video because, well, Lima, amazing.
So maybe you could give us some tips too about where to go, what to see, and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Everything. Food, surfing maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, totally. You can take a surfing class here.
Yeah, but how much are they? Because I went down there and they were saying like $100.
No.
See, that's why.
It'd be like $30.
Yeah, I have a contact that maybe can show you.
Okay,
teach you. And
there we
it's
go.
like
All right, so asking you about Machu Picchu, and I was thinking about not going because they said this time of year it's a lot of rain and overcast and stuff like that.
It has rainy seasons for maybe starting January until May, I think so. But
Okay.
it's not the whole day. It's
Right.
maybe like
That's
1 hour.
anyway, yeah.
Yeah, it's maybe 1 hour of rain and then you have the sun.
The sun.
And for real,
Okay.
you have to go. And
I have to go.
I'm not saying because I'm advertising my country.
You advertise your country, yes, you are.
No,
But
but for real,
It's amazing.
it's amazing. The culture, the people, the energy, the food, everything.
It's totally
I guess we have to go, right?
It's gonna change your
Totally
perspective.
Perspective,
Yeah,
yes.
perspective of everything. I think so. I
You're
really
gonna love it.
For
And then you can tell us that you love it.
yeah.
Okay, all right,
Go.
all right, okay.
Really good place.
So look, go over those three again, because now I'm recording. So,
Okay. Maido,
Maido.
Anime Core, and my favorite is Sapiens. Really good places to go to eat something.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up.
But like making
I thought it was really cool that during this walk, in the spirit of keeping other people safe, they were willing to share some safety tips that they learned from a few of their own experiences, and also gave a few common sense solutions.
Yeah, and we saw the police from here, so they didn't say it.
They're not gonna mess with you anyway, because you know you're young ladies, and
We're like
you know.
chilling. Well, then I've been robbed 3 times last year, but it was like kind of stupid because I always walk with my phone like this on the street.
Okay.
So just like, how can I say that? Motos,
Yeah.
bikes. So yeah,
Motos. Yeah.
motos come to me like and do this,
Snatched it.
and then just like leave with my stuff, and I'm like, what the?
So that happened to you 3 times last
3
year,
times, and now I just learned that I have to do this. I have my purse,
right?
and I just never use my phone on the street again,
Gotcha.
and that's it.
Yeah.
And usually I'm just
Sorry.
my headphones, so I'm just like in another country.
Another
like,
zone, yeah.
I'm just like too much in my head,
Right.
totally distracted, and then just come here and
Snatch your
have a
stuff.
little fun.
Not gonna happen to you guys.
No, it's not gonna happen to. Well, we hope it's not. We never know.
Stay alert,
Yes,
always, in every place.
it could happen to anybody.
Yeah, in any work.
Yes.
So it's always on you.
Thank you for that information, for being willing to share that information, because a lot of times people, especially guys, if it happens to us, we're a little too embarrassed to share the information. I got robbed. No, I ain't get robbed. I just, I left my phone and they picked it up.
Check if when they give you your drinks and everything.
Your phone, and more if you're
And
going
your
like
phone.
to places that are like really, how can I say this?
Dangerous?
When there's a lot of people.
Yeah,
Crowded?
crowded.
Yeah, really crowded. So you have to be really like aware that anything could happen, like your phone, they can just take it away from you.
Right.
So
But when you say watch your drinks, are they putting stuff in people's drinks out here?
Like in every place, I think you should be careful because you're a tourist.
Yes.
Entonces, so I think it's more easy,
Yeah.
people put something on you and you get robbed. Because a few weeks ago, one of my friends,
Yep.
he's from the States, but he lives here. He
Yeah.
lives here. He got drugged.
He got
He
drugged.
was with his girlfriend on that
Okay.
club, and he got drugged. And we're thinking about maybe they want to rob him. Maybe,
Huh.
I don't know. But just
Yeah.
be careful. Like
was-
in every place, just be careful.
I
and
know
have fun.
Colombia is a big deal. Like in Colombia right now, I didn't think it was an issue here. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I say. Like in every place, always if you want to have fun and you're traveling alone, you have to remember that you are alone and take care.
Like Miraflores is a good place to camp.
But
and
he
you
was-
have a lot of fun, but you have to be careful too.
Right. But he wasn't even alone. He was with his girlfriend.
Yeah. And they didn't even realize. Imagine that.
Yeah. Crazy.
As the ladies did some shopping, it was a good chance to show off some of the bohemian vibes here in central Barranco. This establishment, due to the display of vinyl records, vintage and unique clothing, and even the cafe up front, wasn't bad to spend time in, even for a guy like me that doesn't like to spend a lot of time shopping. Here in Barranco, you'll find a lot of establishments that have this eclectic and chill feel to them.
Good? That looks like a Cinnabon. What were you in the States? Let's see. Ah, yeah, nice. Me?
It's good.
That's good. Sweet.
I like it sweet.
Nice. Green juice?
Really good. Tastes like papaya.
Okay.
I don't know how to say it in English.
Papaya, yeah.
Papaya, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
All right. She looks very Asian, right?
Yeah,
Tell him your origin.
I'm from here,
Okay.
but I'm Peruvian Japanese.
Peruvian Japanese.
Yeah, my parents are from Peru, but they're from Japanese parents. So
But there's a lot of Japanese in Peru, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
like Korean Japanese people.
Right. A lot of
Like
history here.
Brazil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a lot of Asian people here too, like
Yeah.
from China,
Right.
like a lot.
Yeah, I looked into the history a little bit, and they mentioned
The best part is the chifa.
the chifa.
Like the mix of Peruvian and Chinese food. Amazing.
That's the food, right? Chifa. Okay.
Amazing.
Nice. I gotta try that next.
Totally.
This is the market here, and the walk in here. Okay, they got some essential oils here. I was actually looking for some of this. And this is kind of cool. The arches right there. That's a whole setup. All right, so I think she's getting some eucalyptus. Did she find it?
I don't know. Okay. Ahí la puedo conseguir. Ya que gracias.
They have it or no?
No, pero tal vez afuera. Maybe like outside.
Okay.
But I'm gonna check.
When you shower,
Right.
you can smell like the sauna.
Okay.
And it's good.
Nice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So, how often do you buy this eucalyptus?
Like the second time, but I
Okay.
really like it.
Nice.
It gives like another vibe to my bathroom too. So when you walk in, it's like really
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh to the lungs. Okay.
Good for the lungs?
Yeah.
And that's how they pay right there with the yape app.
I think in the States they have another name.
So maybe I'm going to buy some flowers for my house. Wait.
Color like on water, and then you put the plant, and with the roots, it just absorbs.
Ah, the color.
I think so.
Okay. All right. Yeah, because that looks like the color is.
Imagine purple.
Yeah. That's wild.
Sorry.
Yeah. Good. Okay, so this area right here is the
The block like two blocks away from the Barranco Center,
okay.
where you can find like all the restaurants and bars. They're really like good, great, and beautiful to go.
Okay. And this right here is actually where you can do a lot of shopping for authentic either plants or souvenirs, stuff like that. It's just about a half a block of market buying here in Barranco. So it's kind of cool place to come check out.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming soon.